That fire is just rumors.
No, it is not. We need to go.
Why?
Because the most famous fast food chain, KFC, is on fire. We need to go. Go Big Planet Mate 3854 will be driving. Let's get in the car. The fire is getting closer. Let's watch YouTube.
I'm a Jake Paul and I close my account because I got jump scared.
Hey SPC Red, did you see that?
Yes, I saw Jack Paul running out of the hotel room like a baby, because he got jumpscared and said he is going to close his YouTube account.
Why do I have to walk backwards carrying these boxes in the room? I'm going to fall on the bed.
Super Yoshi Anthony, are you okay?
Hi guys, what's up, and why is Super Yoshi Anthony in bed? It's 11 a.m.
Well, BabyDollAnimate or Sophie or whatever your name is, my back hurts, because I had to carry 3 boxes backward. Then I fell hard on the bed and almost landed on the floor.